Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
In the digital shadows, a secret war is raging, and the weapons are getting scariously smart.
Not long ago, one name ruled the dark web's AI arsenal. You might remember it: WormGPT.
Back in 2023, this thing was a game changer. It wrote perfect phishing emails and nasty malware.
This is what we call dark AI. Think of it as AI with no rules, built purely for crime.
And wow, did it get popular. Mentions of these tools just exploded by over 200% back then. But in this world, things move fast, and what was revolutionary in 24 is now, well, it's prey.
In 2025, a new threat emerged, literally calling itself the successor. Meet Xanthorox AI.
Unlike the old tools, Xanthorox is totally different. It's self-hosted and completely modular.
So what makes this thing so much scarier? Simple. It's built like a custom attack toolkit.
Its coder module automatically writes malware, turning any amateur into an expert developer.
Then there's vision. Yup, it can see. It rips sensitive data right out of images and screenshots.
And its reasoner module, it actually thinks. It plans complex, multi-step hacks just like a human would.
This isn't science fiction anymore. We've officially entered the age of machine speed attacks.
How fast are we talking? Attackers can now get in and steal your data in just 4 minutes.
This change is so massive, so fundamental, experts had to pull a name right from the history books.
They're calling it the AI Rubicon. It's a point of no return for cyber defense. We've crossed it.
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.